Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove background audio in TikTok. So here I've already on my TikTok and I want to create or shoot a video. Let's say I'm going to just click on the plus icons right here and then I'm going to record the video. And let's hear the video. Okay, so there's some noise or background audio in my video and I want to remove the background audio, so just click on the arrow at the left at the right panel and you'll find the noise, you'll see the noise reducer. Just click on that and now the noise is removed. Okay, so that's for me, that is how you can remove background audio on TikTok.
Jadi nggak perlu berebutan space. Oh iya, makanannya dong aku cobain semua di
I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in next videos. Bye.